Start?
Yep.
Alright. Look at here. Mmm. Are we ready?
Kind of interesting.
Right here. Hey, sweetie. Food's right here.
She says, but the camera's over here. She says, that's not oatmeal.
You like the oatmeal better?
Oh, that was so cute.
One more time.
Whatever.
Ooh, doesn't taste good.
Those are bananas. Mmm, we love bananas.
Please smell them.
Uh-oh.
I don't want it to stop feeding because of this taste.
Yeah.
We should get the oatmeal back. Yeah?
Do another banana.
Another banana. Give us another face.
Perfect, Anna. Right to the camera. You're such a ham.
Like, where's that yummy stuff earlier? What is this?
Mmm, is that good?
I'll tell you what's good. One more? Yummy stuff. Come on.
Say, what is this, Daddy? I think she's liking this better than the pears, though. Oh, her face.
Okay?
You're so excited. Look at the kikis.
One more. Should we switch?
Yeah, I guess we should go to... You want to try more oatmeal?
Yeah.
Let's do more oatmeal.
Hit okay again.
I will. Wave to the camera. Anna. Anna.